Choo choo. Look at this kid over here. Look at this kid over here. Babe.
Which kid?
Here, he's like, what the fuck is that thing? I don't even know what a train is.
This guy. Oh. Wait. Does he work with the trains? What is he doing? This is so fascinating. What is he doing, baby?
I don't know. He's using a lot of keys.
There's like special keys?
I wish you'd wear a real conductor suit, like it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Look, there's another one. This is so cool.
What do you do for a living? Know what time train is?
It's moving backwards. Is that normal?
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to do that?